أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. I seek protection from Allah against the accursed shaitan. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful. وقال الذين لا يعلمون لولا يكلمنا الله أو تأتينا آية كذلك قال الذين من قبلهم مثل قولهم تشابهت قلوبهم قد بينا الآيات لقوم يوقنون. And the ignorant, that is the people of the book, and the polytheists said, why does Allah not speak to us, or why don't we get a sign? Those before them said the same thing. The hearts of these ignorant people and of those before them are alike. Undoubtedly, we have made the signs clear for the people of certainty. إِنَّا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ بِالْحَقِّ بَشِيرًا وَنَذِيرًا وَلَا تُسْأَلُ عَنْ أَصْحَابِ الْجَحِيمِ. Undoubtedly, we have sent you, O beloved, with the truth as a conveyor of glad tidings and a warner. And you shall not be questioned concerning the inmates of hell. وَلَن تَرْضَىٰ عَنكَ الْيَهُودُ وَلَا النَّصَارَىٰ حَتَّىٰ تَتَّبِعَ مِلَّتَهُمْ قُلْ إِنَّ هُدَى اللَّهِ هُوَ الْهُدَىٰ وَلَئِنِ اتَّبَعْتَ أَهْوَاءَهُمْ بَعْدَ الَّذِي جَاءَكَ مِنَ الْعِلْمِ مَا لَكَ مِنَ اللَّهِ مِنْ وَلِيٍّ وَلَا نَصِيرٍ. And O beloved, never will the Jews and the Christians be pleased with you unless you follow their religion. Say you, O beloved, that only the guidance of Allah in reality is guidance. O listener, whoever you may be, if you still become a follower of their desires after this, that the knowledge has come to you, so you will have no one to protect you from Allah, nor any helper. الذين آتيناهم الكتاب يتلونه حق تلاوته أولئك يؤمنون به ومن يكفر به فأولئك هم الخاسرون. Those to whom we have given the book, they recite it as it should be recited. Only they have faith in it. And those who deny it, so only they are the losers. صدق الله العظيم.